Good afternoon, dear children. Welcome back to our English class. I am Teacher Dipti. I hope you all are reading good books and eating healthy food. So let us start with today's work. Children, I will show you few images. You have to guess the story. So are you all ready? Okay, let's begin. Come on, guess the story. Yes, The Lion King. Which story is this? Yes, The Jungle Book. Which story is this? Yes, Harry Potter. Come on, guess the story. Yes, Captain Jack Sparrow. Very good. This shows that you all love to listen or to read stories. There are different types of stories: funny, horror, adventurous, fairy tales, and so on. And from each story, we learn something. Some stories teach us good values, while some stories make us laugh. Have you ever been out on any adventure like hiking, rock climbing, water rafting, cycling, and so on? It is always fun to go on an adventure, right? So today we will learn about an adventurous story of Sindbad. The story of Sindbad and his 7 voyages is actually a huge collection of stories. The book of 1001 Nights or the Arabian Nights. Now, you all must be wondering, who is Sindbad? Well, Sindbad was a famous sailor who lived in Baghdad. Sailor means someone who works on ships. He was an honest, generous, and a brave sailor. He had many adventures on each of his voyages. Voyages means a long journey by sea or ocean. He never lost heart and hope even in dangerous situations. He always overcame great dangers and returned home safely. So children, let's begin the story of Sindbad's first voyage. Sindbad set sail with the company of merchants on a big ship. From time to time, they stopped at various ports. There, they sold their merchandise and bought new things to trade. Merchants means a person who sells things or goods. Merchandise means goods or things for sale. Children, the place where the train halts is known as, yes, railway station. Similarly, ships halt at ports. Sindbad set sail with the company of merchants on a big ship. The ship used to halt at various ports, and there the merchants would sell their goods or things. One day, when their ship was sailing smoothly across the sea, they spotted a small island at a distance. They had not seen land for many days and felt both surprised and happy to see the island. They sailed close to the island. The captain of the ship allowed them to go there for a picnic. Everyone was excited. On the island, they strolled around, sang, and danced. Some people began to wash clothes. Some lit fires to cook meal. Island means a piece of land surrounded by water. Strolled means walked here and there without hurrying. One day, when they were sailing, they saw a small island. They were very happy to see the island because they had been sailing from many days. They sailed close to the island. The captain of the ship allowed them to go on the island for a picnic. There they sang, danced, washed clothes, and started cooking. In our next class, we will continue Sindbad's first voyage. Now let's do some activity. Today we will start with homophones. Homophones are two or more words that have same pronunciation but different meaning. Let's see few examples. EYEI, the letter I. Can you see? The pronunciation for both the words is same, but the meaning is completely different. Let's see one more example. MAIL, male. MALE, male. See children, pronunciation is same, but the meaning is different. Now spot homophones in the passage for SEEC. Come on children, start searching for the homophone for C. Yes, C, SEAC. Now search for the homophone for SAIL, SALE, sail. Very good. Sail, SAIL, sail. Now give antonyms for found, finished, disallowed. Children, you all have 10 seconds. Search for the answers and let me know. Come on, your time is up. Now tell me, what is the antonym for found? Very good. Lost. Finished. Very good. Began. Disallowed. Very good. Allowed. Answer the following. Who was Sindbad? Come on, tell me, who was Sindbad? Yes, Sindbad was a famous sailor. Where did Sindbad live? Very good. Sindbad lived in Baghdad. What did the people do on the island? Yes, people strolled around the island, sang, danced, some began to wash clothes, and some started cooking meals. That's it for today. For written work, please refer Assignment 1 and Assignment 2. We will meet in our next class. Till then, take care and stay safe.